Mag-aalas 11 na dito sa Qatar last night pero nagmamadali akong puntahan yung Sisig Corner Restaurant because they offer 35% off of the tickets for the TJ Monterde live here in Qatar. So, ayun, last minute decision because when I convert 299 reals for the standing or the bronze category, it's way too expensive for me. It's like about 5,000 Philippine peso. But thankfully, I saw on TikTok this kind of sale. You have to pick it up from the restaurant. So I went there alone by Metro. Thank God for Metro talaga dito sa Qatar. Then, inisip ko, deserve ko naman. Oh, yan. Sa kaka-deserve natin. Yan. Kasi, there are times we need to unwind because we have to go on duty for 6 days, 12 hours, no? And we just go home, sleep, then go back to work. We don't have any much time for ourselves. And this is not about pampering or wasting money because it's worth it. I love these Filipino artists, and TJ Monterde's wife, Casey Tandingan, will be there also. So I'm kind of excited. Good thing na yung BFF kong si Joyce, pag-chat ko sa kanya, on the go din siya sa trip ko na manood, no? Thank God. Talagang sometimes we have to take care of ourselves, especially our mental health. So kung ito magpa-relax sa mong mind, I'm kinda excited, no? To hear the love songs because I miss my husband, no? Gusto ko siyang kasama dito pero sa ngayon, pakinggan ko muna tong mga songs ni TJ Monterde kasi ito lang ang nagpapalakas sa akin. So in this time around, I found a sisig corner restaurant, no? I want to eat sisig but I just came for the ticket and thank God nandito